Hello and welcome to 5377 Huntmaster Ln. This beautiful 6-bedroom home is located at the base of the gorgeous San Gabriel Mountains in Fontana, California. This unique property, situated on a 5,100 square foot lot boasting 6 bedrooms, makes it the ideal home for a variety of families. Whether you have a large family with children or you're looking for the perfect home with your grandparents or grandkids who will be under the same roof, even if you're the family that needs an in-home office geared toward today's work-from-home lifestyle, the possibilities are endless. The bright, spacious kitchen with a sit-down island opens up into the natural, light-filled family room by day with a cozy fireplace for those chilly Southern California nights. The kitchen also offers direct access to the awesome open backyard with a large covered patio and complete with a built-in barbecue. Perfect for family cookouts or just the casual, serene lifestyle of dinner on the patio with the family on a warm evening. Plus, as an added bonus, your pets will love it. This quiet, upscale neighborhood with its scenic parks and lush green landscaping make it the ideal location to raise a family. Also, it's close to some wonderful schools in the Etiwanda School District. Within minutes of some of your favorite shops like Target, Ross, Party City, Michael's Arts and Crafts, Kohl's, and more. If you're passionate about health and exercise, there's also a 24-hour fitness right up the street. And don't forget about Starbucks and several great restaurants that are located nearby for your convenience. So, if you need more space with plenty of bedrooms in a great neighborhood, 5377 Huntmaster Ln is ideal for you. For all of the information on this impressive property, call Hank Gunlock at 951-201-4162 or check out the full property online at 5377huntmaster.com.